So this is the Euro Yen analysis for Thursday, the 7th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where they might possibly go. So, as mentioned in previous videos, we're in a bit of we're in a trading range on the Euro Yen. Upper end of range being at 134, lower end of range being at 131.70. What we've seen is that we've seen a gap in the market to the upside, and we've come and tested this 34. We've had a breakdown, posted a lower high. We've had a subsequent breakdown in prices below the 200 and 400 period moving average. Now, we've not come down to any key levels at present. We've not come down towards that 3202 or 3170, but we do appear to be seeing a turnaround in the market, as we can see here. Prices do appear to have turned around somewhat. It's good momentum to the upside. It's not a reshape reversal, but it's a pretty strong momentum. We've got candles closing near their highs, so we'll see our price direct towards that 400 period moving average, a break from which we're looking towards the 3283 level, above which we have the 200 period moving average. Again, we have to be aware of that. After which we do have a somewhat free run towards that 3345. Towards 3345. We'll see if we do get a negative reaction from 33.45, possibly retracing back down to test that 200 period moving average, or to the or even further back down towards that 32.83. If however we do break above 33.45, we'll be targeting the upper end of the trade range in around that 134 level, beyond which we're looking forward to that 134.50. Now, we've mentioned all levels to the upside. Now, to the downside, if we do see a breakdown from that 400 period moving average, or possibly 3283, again we'll be looking to see our price direct towards that 3202, a break from which we'll be looking for 3170. And if we do break from 3170, the very next level that we would be looking at is possibly 3120 before we head towards that 3060 to the downside. From where we are at present, we would likely the far end of the range is possibly in around the 131.70, in around 131.70, 131.50. So in around that zone, we'd expect the far end of the range. And again, to the upside, we would expect in around that 33.45, 33.45 to 33.60 to be the far end of the range to the upside. Now, let's just have a look at the daily time frame before wrapping up here. So if we head over to the daily time frame, and we get the scale on here correct, it's pretty clear. As we can see here on the Euro Yen, we've got the highs around at 134. We have seen consistent rejections from the high towards the low of the trading range in around this 31.70, and again we've seen some buy side momentum come into the market, so we're pretty range bound, but the most recent trend has been a rejection from that 134 and a subsequent sell-off in the market. So there is a slight bias to the downside in light of our rejection, but overall on the hourly chart we do appear to have turned a corner, so we do have to be aware of that. And with that said, that was this has been the Euro Yen analysis. Thanks for watching.